Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. Today is Thursday. That means it is Sneak Peek, Diamond Art Club Sneak Peek Day. What's coming out this weekend? Well, I'm not sure, but I do know of one thing that's coming out this weekend. It is something from a newer artist I've not seen on Diamond Art Club before. The artist is called Aphelion, and this is called Astronaut Over Earth, and this is what it looks like. It is 76 by 46, and it has 40 colors with 2 AB. This one is in round. Last week I showed you a square, and this week I get to show a round. And like I said before, I'm not sure what the price will be because I don't know until it's actually released. So let's just take a look at it. There's our canvas. And I'll tell you guys what AB stands for here in a minute for those that don't know. Okay. Got to get everything pulled out. There we go. So, AB is a coating that gets put onto the drills, and it gives a beautiful sparkly effect to add extra focus to that point of the diamond painting. And it kind of shimmers like a rainbow effect, and you can't really see it in here right this moment, but I will pull these out after we look at the canvas and I'll show you. Here, you can kind of see the white there, right up there. Yeah, you can't really see the AB drills on there, but you'll get a better look when I pull them out. And they call them AB because they kind of resemble the Northern Lights, so they call them AB drills, short for Aurora Borealis. Now here is our picture. This little piece of paper here is a godsend to me. It's a sticker, so you can quickly label your containers that you put your drills in by just cutting the chart out and putting the parts of it on there that you want. I personally put the code and the DMC number on my containers. Now we know the ABs on this are going to be 141 and 125 because Diamond Art Club always numbers their ABs below 150. So if it's a number below 150, that's an AB color. So it's going to be number 2 is white, and then number 1 is that greenish white color. You can kind of see it there. So it's 125 and 141. And let's take a look at this canvas. Oh wait, let's show you the toolkit. It's round, so this is what you get in a round kit. You get a tray, clear tray. You get a few baggies and a couple more. You get a blue drill pen. You get a 6-placer. It seems that's what they've been putting in all of them lately. You get not 1, but 2 heart-shaped wax. And you get a pen gripper, or otherwise known as a squishy. And if it was a square, you would get tweezers as well, but this is not square, so we don't get tweezers. Now let's look at that canvas. Oh, they did not use the sticky on it, so I get to reseal it. Perfect. Your diamond painting will also come with this pamphlet that tells you how to diamond paint. It gives you some tips and tricks, and it also gives you a special code that you can use for a discount on your next purchase. Alright, so this one is done landscape, so we'll be opening it up sideways. I saw that there's a lot of purples in this diamond painting, so I'm super happy about that. All right, so 1 and 2 are the DMC, or the AB colors. And yes, these new canvases, I forgot to mention last week, but they do have all this information here on the canvas now. They have your size, they have the artist right here, and the name of the painting, the painting number, because this number should match the bag of drills. And that way you know you've got the right set of drills, and they do match. And it's got your thumbnail right there. And they also do put a key on both sides of the canvas, one there and one down here. So let's see where these ABs are going to go. Let me turn my heater down. Whoa, it's getting hot in here. Alright, so this is very confettied. Lots of confetti. And we've got, I mean, it's space. You can't expect not to have confetti when you're out in space. So we've got just these spots where stars are. You've got the number 1. It's basically glittered throughout the sky part. The black part of the sky, and even down here in the purple and blue areas, you're going to get some of the stars. The number 1, number 2 isn't up there that I am seeing, but we do find number 2 here in the astronaut's costume, outfit, suit. Yeah, suit. It's all around. All of these are AB. These number 2s here. And around the helmet, through here, all the way here. Got him here. Going around his arm. Around this part. Down around his leg. Well, at least this side of his leg. And over here, between the arm and the leg. And then we've got it throughout this skyline right here. Or the earth. The edge of the earth, I guess that is. Yeah. Well, I don't know what planet that is. It says over Earth. I don't know what planet that is, but that doesn't look like Earth. I guess that's because we're seeing clouds. Yeah, it's a cloud cover. So this is a cloud cover here, and it's got a lot of ABs. The number 2 is all over in here, right here and here, big lines of it, and up in here, which is just like space gas, it looks like. And then this cloud over here, yeah, it's got, oh, you can't see that. Here, let me bring it over. The cloud right here has a ton of number 2. It's mostly number 2 is what it consists of. But 1 is only the stars. So that's where you'll find 1 it's the greenish white color, and that's the one that's dotting all these white dots. Those are 1s. Here, I'll show you the drill filled, and you can see the 1s. See that? And look at the confetti. But it's really easy to read. This one actually might be fun to do. I mean, it's confettied, but it's like a repeat of the same colors. So it's not like you need all 40 colors to be able to do that confettied area. It's just the sky colors. And then all this purple, and I mean, there's purple in the sky too, which is awesome, up in the black part, because that's what it shows, how it shows there's purple up there. And you know, anything with purple, I'm gaga over. So this would be a great image to do for somebody and give it as a gift for somebody who likes space and astronauts and things like that. Maybe my grandson someday will be into this kind of stuff, and if I do this, you know, sometime soon, I can always have it ready and waiting for him to give to him when he shows interest in that kind of stuff. I'll be like, hey, I got something for you, and bam, show him this awesome diamond painting. I think whether it's him or someone else, you know, I like to give things as gifts. I like to pay it forward. And, you know, that's probably what I would do. So this is a beautiful canvas, beautiful colors. It's not super big. I mean, it's big, but it's not as big as some that I've unboxed recently. But it's not the smallest either, granted, but it is a good size painting. It's about a 50, you know, the equivalent to like a 50 by 70. 50 by 70, yeah, something like that, because it's 76 wide and 46 tall and length and width, whichever way you want to say it, but beautiful. And this artist, hats off to them, because this is really pretty. Well, I don't know if you'd call an astronaut pretty, but it is a beautiful painting, and it will make a wonderful diamond painting. All those ABs in just the right places are going to make it just sparkle. I mean, it's going to sparkle anyway, but it's going to sparkle extra ordinary on that astronaut's outfit, and then where the stars are. Perfect. All right, so let's look at the drills. Okay, we have one lone bag in here of 310. So, I don't know if that's all the 310. No, it's just extra because we needed just a little bit extra. I've never run out of drills with Diamond Art Club paintings. So, yeah, and if you do, they've always got that guarantee where they will send them to you if you run out. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, this first strip is 310s and 939s. So there are 2 large bags of 310 and 2 large bags of 939, and plus the little bag of 310. So there's that. And then we've got, here's some of our purple, grays, blue, peaches, more purple, and that's the AB. Now you can see the extra coating that's on there, especially you can look right there at that lone drill. You can see all that extra stuff that's on there, and you can see how it's sparkling. It's just giving off all those colors. Yes, those are AB. That's your AB drills. More purple. And then we have browns and a lot more purple. A little bit of brown, not too much. Then we got a little bit of pink and a pinkish red. Salmony color. And then here we go with our bigger bags of drills. More purple. Got gray. We've got our 550, which is so beautiful. Beautiful blues, some gray, more blues and more blues. Oh, I love it. And then we have a brown, and then that mint color. And then here's a greenish white color, 3756. And here we have the 141, which is the white AB. And that's the one that's going to be the astronaut's suit. The other AB color, you were able to see them more because it was a little darker of a drill color. It wasn't just pure white. It was more like an off-white. And then we got more blues and more blues and a dark blue and a dark blue and these beautiful colors. More blue, and then like, I don't call that mint. I call that more like, it does look like mint, but it's lighter. It's kind of like seafoam color. All right, so there you go, guys. I adore this painting, and it'll be great for some little boy's room in my life someday. But I think it'll be fun to do, even though it's heavy on the confetti side. I'm not one to really like to do confetti, but once in a while it's okay. Especially the one I'm working on right now. It's extremely full of confetti. So that doesn't mean I won't do it if it has confetti. But there we go. There is Astronaut Over Earth. And have you ever heard of this artist before? Like I said, this is first I've ever heard of them. And do you plan on, is this something that you would buy for somebody in your life or for yourself or what? I mean, I love the colors. I do. And I kind of like the space theme. It goes on along with my being a geek and all that and liking Star Wars, Star Trek, all that kinds of stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.